Hello students, last day we have discussed about the cell structure and some functions of some organisms. Now we will discuss about the cell envelope and its modification. Especially at first we will know about the prokaryotic cell walls. Prokaryotic cell means we can take a bacteria, and I have drawn a picture of a bacteria where you can see that the outermost layer I have drawn it with a gray color. It's the glycocalyx, and then the next layer is cell wall, and the innermost layer is plasma membrane. Now we will discuss more about these three layers. So friends, glycocalyx is the outermost layer comprising a coating of mucus or polysaccharide macromolecules. That means the glycocalyx is a layer made up of polysaccharide. These are macromolecules. What is macromolecule and what is micromolecule? We will learn about that in the next chapter, biomolecules. The glycocalyx has two different types of glycocalyx are here. First type is slime layer. We can say that it's a loose and sheathy layer. It's due to slimy appearance, it is known as slime layer. And another one in the glycocalyx is capsule. It's thick or tough layer. Tough layer, the covering the cell, is known as capsule. These two types are of glycocalyx are shown here. Then we will proceed again. Now we will discuss about the cell wall. Cell wall, the function of cell wall is to determining the shape of a cell. Cell wall gives the shape. Cell wall gives the bacterial cell or any plant cell a perfect shape. Cell wall it gives the structural support to the cell. And cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. Usually it facilitates the movement of molecules inside the cell and the different side of the cell. Then we will discuss about mesosome. Mesosomes are some extensions of plasma membrane forms of the mesosome. You can look at this photograph. If we look at this diagram, then mesosomes are some extensions of plasma membrane. You can see that on here, a plasma membrane has some extension. It forms the groups. These groups are mesosomes. In case of eukaryotic cell, they have mitochondria to produce the energy. And in case of prokaryotic cell, they do not have any organelles, as I have told in my last class. These are the mesosomes, are the extensions found in plasma membrane that helps in production of ATP or energy, act as a energy reservoir. And then we will discuss about the vesicle, tubules and lamellae. These are the different extensions found in the cell. Now we will discuss about the flagella. These are the outermost structure of bacterial cells, usually for the motile bacteria. Bacteria which is not motile, they do not have any flagella. But the bacteria which are motile, they have the flagella, and they have some another organs like pili, fimbri. You cannot say that these are the organ. These are the some another apparatus found in the outer surface of the cell, which helps them in locomotion or movement. Here I have shared the photograph, or I have drawn a picture of this bacterial flagella. So I am showing you this photo. This is a bacterial flagella structure. These are the flagella structure made up of three basic units: filament, hook and basal body. Filament, it is made up of flagellin protein. Hook is the intermediate portion, and the lower portion, here you can look at this, it's known as basal body. Basal body has 4 rings. These 4 rings are known as L ring, P ring, S ring and M ring. These rings are joined with each other with the help of a rod. The L ring and P ring, they are attached with cell wall, whereas S ring and M ring, they are attached with plasma membrane. These flagellas are helpful. This helps in the movement of a cell. Now we will discuss about pili and fimbri. Pili are the elongated special structure made up of a special protein, whereas fimbri are the small bristle-like structures sprouting out of the cell. In some bacteria, These structures helps them to attach on the rock surface. Now we will discuss about some features of cell wall. So if we look at the diagram, then I have shown that the cell wall is found in 4 types of cell, like bacteria, fungi, algae and plants. In case of bacteria, this cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. This peptidoglycan is a polysaccharide which is formed by a combination of NAG and NAM. In case of fungi, it's the cell wall made up of chitin. It's a polymer of NAG unit, that means N-acetyl glucosamine. And in case of algae, this cell wall is made up of cellulose, galactose, mannose, glucans, etc. And some amount of minerals are there. And in case of plants, this cell wall is made up of cellulose, protein and pectin. Some kinds of hemicellulose are there. We can show that the cell wall, there are 2 types of cell wall. One is primary cell wall, another one is secondary cell wall. This primary cell wall is usually found in young cell and secondary cell wall is usually found in mature cell. If we look at this diagram, then the cell is covered with primary cell wall, which I have drawn it with blue color pen, and then I have drawn some secondary depositions with different colors. These are the secondary deposition. These secondary depositions are formed in mature cells and forms the secondary wall. In cell, another layer is there. In case of cell wall, and another layer is there. This layer is known as middle lamella. Middle lamella is made up of calcium and magnesium pectate. It acts as cementing material. That means it adjoins 2 cells each other. It acts as a cementing material, acts like a glue to join 2 different cells each other. This middle lamella made up of calcium and magnesium pectate, and this calcium and magnesium pectate dissolved and forms the plasmodesmata that helps to the intracellular conduction of water, minerals and any other compounds. Thanks for watching my video till end. If you want more videos on this topic, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get notification of my new video. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding to this topic, then you can ask me that in the comment section of this YouTube video, and you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Each and every links are given on the description box. Thank you.